Hey guys, Logan with Enduro Engineering, here to show you how to install the water pump guard on the 250, 350 4-strokes from Husqvarna, KTM, and GasGas. Okay, so all you're going to need is an 8mm T-handle or socket. I've got a T-handle here. You're only going to remove 2 bolts. So the top 2 bolts on the front side of the radiator hose going into the water pump here, you're going to remove both of those. And you're going to set these bolts off to the side because you won't use these. You're going to use the provided ones in the kit. Then go ahead and take the water pump guard. You're going to line it up with the 2 bolts there. This is going to rest over top of the water pump and the hose there. And then in your kit you've got 2 bolts. One's a little bit longer, it's 65mm. The other one's 55. So go ahead and take the longer of the 2, start it in the top. And then the shorter of the 2 provided bolts will go on the bottom one. Then simply just take your 8mm again, tighten these back down. Alright, pretty simple install, just a couple bolts you're going to exchange, put the guard on, and then your water pump and that hose is protected a lot better. If you want to get one, give us a call at 517-393-2421 or visit EnduroENG.com.